Hello! Today I'm going to be changing the fuel filter, which is down here on a Jaguar type diesel. Let me just show you quickly what's going to be occurring. So what we are going to do is we've got to disconnect this and this hose. That's the inlet, that's the outlet, and that's a return. What we've got to do is push those clips in, which you can do sometimes with a screwdriver. I'll just show you. So you push those in like this. Come on. Easy to do when you're not holding a camera. And push them back a bit. And over the other side. No, we haven't pushed them back far enough. There we go. You can see it come out. Pull it out, and then this pulls off. And then when you put it back on, you just push that back. So let's change this fuel filter. Right, let me just see where. Okay, so there's a new filter which I'll put on in a sec. So we've got that off. Pull that out. You want to get this one off. Exactly the same connector. So you can't see what I'm doing here, but it is exactly the same. A bit of a push here. A bit of a push over the other side. You can see enough of it to push from the other side. There we go. That one off. And now the last one. Oh, the last one is just a push button. So which way does it go? Want to go that way? Maybe it just wants to go the other way. I'll have to pull that filter out. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Right. You push that in, that one, you just push on either side and squeeze, and it pulls straight up. There we go. Push those two together and it makes it right. Let's pull the filter out of the way. So this diff in here, and that is full of fuel. You need to bear in mind that for disposal. So, new filter, that there's the in, that's the out, and that's the return. So take that there, and what we're going to do is we're going to prime it with this bulb. This is a squeezy bulb, so it pumps in that direction. If I just put my thumb over there and squeeze and put my thumb over there, you'll see that it doesn't come out till I let go. So I am just going to go, take that cap off and push that one onto there. That'll do. Now we need to make sure we drop it in the right way round, which is that way. There we go. Right, so that's the outlet. Let's put the inlet on. Push that down. Push that through till it clips. That's on. And now we're just going to make sure that we've primed by pumping this through until we get diesel out of here. It's taking some time. Hold on. There we go. A bit of pressure in there now. Where am I? I wonder if there's an air leak in the system. Hold on. I think it's sucking. There we go. Right. The return on now. There we go. Make sure it's still going. That off. Back down on. So let's see, hold on. Have to make sure it's fully down, clip in. Take stuff off the engine. Right, so that's it back in place. Pick up all the little bits of scuff in the way and fire up the engine. Now I did make sure the engine was warm before I started. Right, and that is how you change the fuel filter on a Jaguar X-Type diesel. It also applies to a Mondeo Mark III. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.